Hey everybody, I got this ink cartridges for um, a printer that I got for free because they had put it out and they put the word free on it. So it's I'll show you the printer, but I'm gonna unbox this, and this is what is required when you have a 61 like this. See, look at that. Let's unbox this sucker. I think we should unbox it this way. Ooh. Okay, this is backwards. Oops. This is this might be, I don't know. Don't open it. Remember, don't touch that. So I'm being real careful with this thing. So this is the black print version. You never touch this. Don't touch any of this, like they tell you. So I got to figure out where can I unpeel this. So let's put that back there and unpeel, get the other one out. This is the color one. See, this is the back and get it in. Here's your color one. Let's see, 61. Now, if this works good, then I might get the larger one. Let's throw it. Where's the box? I keep this box. Throw that away. Here's your box. Now, let's put this thing together. Okay, so there's the cartridges. And here's the old ones. One is leaky. This is the old one. Here's the other old one that was in there. Now, let me show you. I got this when I got this. Somebody had sat it outside, said for free. So I was like, let me get this and see what's wrong with it. So I picked it up. It's been sitting for a while, but yesterday I finally broke down and started putting it back, fixing it and cleaning it and see what's wrong with it. Now the scanner works on this thing because it's hooked up to my computer. The scanner works, but we got to see if it prints. That's why I had to buy 2 cartridges today and see if it's gonna work. So let's see if it is. Just for turn it on. And open it up. Ooh, Woodley and Burbank. There's a brush fire. And it's windy out here, so that's why you got the radio. I got the radio on. So waiting for it to load. There it goes. So now I have to take the things off of these cartridges to put them in there. And like I say, you got to be real careful. So I got to take this thing off and put it in here. So hold on. Okay, so now let's put this cartridge in. Okay, so that one's in. Now let's put the color one in. Okay, so now we have the color one. You gotta put this color one in. And if this works right and everything is working good, I'll buy the big ink one. Let's see, am I putting this in right? Yep. There it goes. So it says access doors opens. Wait, now we gotta close it because now we got the two new things in. It says install. So now let's push OK. Have paper inside. Now I'm about to see if it works. That's the motto. Whoa. Okay, so free printer. Wow. And it prints good. Look at that. Someone gave their printer away. I wonder why though. Lift lid. Okay, so let's put this paper in there. Hold on. Okay, now I'll push OK. Okay, so now I'm gonna push OK. So let's see. I might as well push OK. Push that. Let's see. So, look at that, y'all. It works in black and white. So this is a good printer then. Still working good. Nice. Free printer saved me a whole bunch of money. And somebody gave it away. Put it outside. Put the word free on the thing. So it works great. So now, the ink cartridges that's in there, I'm going to use them until they run out. Then I'm going to go get the extra 61XL. Because that's like the bigger cartridge. That's about, that's some money. Not like hundreds of dollars, but you know. So that will be my next one. Is get that and that'll be it. So that was it for y'all. The unboxing of it and see a free printer I got from somebody putting it outside and it still works. So got me a free printer, saved a whole bunch of money because like I said, it scans, prints, photo, everything. So you know, and oh, it's not hooked up to my computer, but wirelessly this is hooked up to my computer. Because I thought I was gonna have to hook it up to the wire, but no, it's wirelessly hooked up to my computer by Wi-Fi. Because this is Wi-Fi, the computer's Wi-Fi, my phone is Wi-Fi. You know what? Damn, I can't do it because I'm using the phone that I was gonna print. And my iPhone, I don't know. Hold on, let me see if I can print from my iPhone. Hold on. Okay, now you see this? I'm going to print this from my computer, right? I want y'all to watch. There it is. Now I'm going to print this from my thing. Just watch. Wait a minute, hold on. So watch, I'm going to print it. Is it printing? Dang it, hold on. There we go. Now this is wireless printing. It worked, but it got stuck in there, but it works. So it does print from my computer wirelessly. So now I'm going to finish this video, and this is the printer I got for free. That works great now and saved me a lot of money. So that's it.